Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in pet products. Today, we're taking a look at the SOLSTICE Original Inflatable Pup Plank, the best dog water ramp on the market. If you're looking to keep your furry friend safe and happy while enjoying the water, this inflatable ramp is the perfect solution for your dog's needs. Whether you're at the pool, on a boat, or hanging out on a dock, the pup plank makes it easy for your dog to join in on the fun. This ramp has been designed with both you and your pet in mind. It's constructed with durable drop stitch technology, which ensures the ramp is strong and stable once inflated. This means your dog will have a safe, solid surface to climb out of the water. And, with its rigid feel when inflated, your dog won't slip or struggle to get back up onto the surface, providing both ease and comfort during those water adventures. What sets the pup plank apart is its extra-large size. It measures 48 inches long by 32 inches wide, making it perfect for larger dogs weighing up to 200 pounds. The extra-wide surface ensures that even big breeds can comfortably use it without feeling cramped. Plus, it features a high-density EVA traction pad that gives your dog a solid grip, preventing any accidental slipping, which is a must for larger dogs. Portability is another feature that makes this product stand out. The pup plank is incredibly easy to store, as it folds up into a compact size of just 21 inches by 10 inches, which fits easily into the included carry bag. Whether you're heading to the beach, the lake, or just want to keep it stored for the pool, its lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store. The design of this ramp is also made to last. It comes with 4 stainless steel D-rings for securing the ramp to your boat, dock, or pool, ensuring optimal stability and peace of mind. The robust construction means that this pup plank is built to endure the elements and stand up to the wear and tear that comes with frequent use. For added convenience, the ramp comes with a pump, a carry bag, and even a repair kit, so you're fully prepared for anything that might come your way while out and about with your dog. It's quick to inflate and deflate, making setup a breeze, and its durable plastic material ensures it's built to last. The SOLSTICE Original Inflatable Pup Plank isn't just a functional accessory. It's a must-have for any dog owner who loves spending time by the water. It's easy to use, safe, and provides a comfortable way for your dog to get in and out of the water without any stress. With its practical design, portability, and durability, this ramp is truly the best way to keep your dog safe and happy while enjoying the great outdoors. Whether you're lounging at the pool or cruising on your boat, the pup plank ensures your dog gets the best experience possible. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in learning more about the SOLSTICE Original Inflatable Pup Plank, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pet product reviews.